Hi everyone, this is Matt Jopet Sigrizon. Today, I will share why teaching is the noblest profession and why I want to become a teacher. First, teaching is the noblest because teachers help students to learn. They give knowledge that students use for life. Second one, teaching is noble because teachers guide and shape young people. They help students to become a good and responsible persons. Third, last but not the least, teacher is noble because teachers inspires others. Many students follow their dreams because a teacher encourages them. So my personal connection in teaching, I feel connected to the teaching profession because I was inspired by my own parents. They helped me when I struggled in life and even when I doubted myself. Their kindness made me want to help others too. So commitment to becoming a teacher. I am committed to becoming a teacher because I want to make a positive changes in students' lives. I want to be someone who listens and guides and supports my future students. I want to help them grow and reach their dreams, just like how my parents and teachers helped me. Teaching is truly a noble profession. I am ready to do my best to becoming a good teacher someday. Thank you. By the way, I'm Matt Jopet Sigrizon, leaving a quote: a teacher's patience today becomes a student's success for tomorrow.